How to delete Happn account. Hello and welcome to Quick Guide. I'm up with another quick and easy tutorial video on how you can delete your Happn account. For that, you'll have to open any web browser on your device and at the search bar type happn.com, the official website of Happn. Once you reach to this page, here you will see sign in button at the upper right corner of the screen. Go ahead and tap on it. You will reach to this interface. Here at the left sidebar, you will see some menu there. Click on My Profile. A new window will appear here. Click on My Data below App Settings. In this page, you will notice the option Delete My Account. Go ahead and tap on Delete Account. You will be directed to this page here. If you are sure to delete your account, go ahead and click on that Yes, I'm done button. And there you go, you have successfully deleted your Happn account. That's all for today's video. Thanks for watching till the end. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe the channel. Also hit that bell icon to get notifications on more such helpful tutorials. See you in next video. Stay connected.